The Indian Medical Association announced a nationwide strike throughout Saturday. It turned out to be one of the largest in over a decade. The Health Ministry has asked protesting doctors to resume their duties, however, in the larger public interest, specifically with the rising cases of dengue and malaria. What exactly happened through the day, what kind of services were affected, and all of this, remember, was in support and solidarity to the Kolkata rape and murder case. Calls for justice for Abhaya echoes nationwide. Doctors continue to hit the streets demanding a safe environment to work and justice for the victim in Kolkata rape and murder case. Apart from emergency care, hospital services across the country remained shut as doctors escalated their protest demanding justice for Abhaya.
The nationwide strike called by the doctors have entered 6th day. Right now we are inside the RML hospital. You have the resident doctors taking out a march, and this is indicative of the fact that the OPD services and elective services at the government hospitals have literally come to a standstill because of this strike which is going on. What is more concerning is that Indian Medical Association has announced that OPD services and the elective services at all the branches of the IMA across the country will come to a halt from 6 a.m. Today itself. So the government hospitals are hit because the resident doctors are on strike, and now the private medical services are also on a halt from today itself because of the RG car incident.
Massive protest in Dharna Chowk of Hyderabad. We are right now at this spot where the protest is going on, where you can see hundreds of doctors, be it junior doctors or senior doctors, have assembled here against the Kolkata horror, the brutal alleged rape and murder of a doctor that had taken place, demanding justice. All the doctors have gathered here at this particular point.
Union Health Ministry has requested the agitating doctors to resume their duties in the larger public interest. A committee will be formed to suggest measures for ensuring the safety of healthcare professionals. Meanwhile, victim's father has alleged that the murder could have taken place elsewhere.
নিশ্চয়ই কোনো কিছু চাওয়ার চেষ্টা হচ্ছিল আমার মেয়েকে এখন তো মনে হচ্ছে ওখানে যে মার্ডার করেছে এর কোনো মানে একটু সন্দেহ প্রকাশ করছি আমরা এই ব্যাপারে
The probe has gathered steam, with the CBI team visiting the spot of crime and taking stock. Former principal Dr. Sandeep Ghosh was also brought to the hospital and questioned further. A female doctor belonging to the forensic department was also summoned by the officials who reached the hospital for questioning. 4 other fellow doctors have also been questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Also summoned 10 people, including the security supervisor and 2 suspended temporary guards. A new video of the 15th August vandalism has meanwhile surfaced on the internet. In this video, the vandals can clearly be seen vandalizing even the emergency ward. Kolkata Commissioner of Police Vineet Goyal has accepted their failure to stop the arson and vandalism on that day.
আমাদের সাফিশিয়েন্ট ডিপ্লয়মেন্ট ছিল ডিসি লেভেলে অফিসার ছিলেন ওখানে উনি নিজের চেষ্টা করেছেন ওনার সঙ্গে যে ফোর্স ছিল সমস্ত রকম চেষ্টা করেছেন yes despite that the barricade was breached and people got into this vandalized the place.
A team again of the Central Bureau of Investigation has reached the Arjikar Emergency Center right now to gather further evidence as far as the vandalism here was concerned. They're here to carry on the investigations. The CBI is probing the matter not just in connection with the rape and murder of the young trainee doctor, but also with the vandalism that was seen in the wee hours of the morning on the 15th of August. That's the CBI team that has reached the emergency ward right now, even as the investigations in this case continues. With video journalist Sanjay Singha Mordani for India Today.
While doctors across the country are on streets protesting against the brutal rape and murder case in Kolkata, but there's also a political showdown that's escalating on this. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself led a mega protest march along with other senior female leaders of the Trinamool Congress demanding capital punishment for the rapists. She also in fact went on to claim that the vandalism and arson that we saw on the streets in Kolkata was BJP and CPM workers together involved in it. She lashed out at the Saffron Party, asking them if they ever sent their team to Manipur, Hathras or Unnao. Meanwhile, BJP leader Smriti Irani went all guns blazing against Bengal Chief Minister, asking her to stop your rape, my rape politics. She posed several questions to Mamata Banerjee and claimed that the protesters were being attacked while the rapists are allegedly roaming free.
আমি জানি সিপিএম আর বিজেপি ভাঙচুরটা করেছে আরজি করে গিয়ে নাটক করেও যখন শেষ হয়নি রাত্রি 1টার সময় 12টার পরে সিপিএম এর ডিওয়াইএফ এর ফ্ল্যাগ নিয়ে ভিডিওতে দেখা যাচ্ছে ডিওয়াইএফ এর ফ্ল্যাগ আর বিজেপি নিয়েছে ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ সব জায়গায় পলিটিক্যাল কাজে ব্যবহার করা যায় না ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগের কোড আছে ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগকে মিসইউজ করেছে পানিশমেন্ট হওয়া উচিত এটা একটা ক্রিমিনাল অফেন্স
तेरा रेप मेरा रेप की पॉलिटिक्स को बंद करें ममता दी। क्या अब लड़की के बलात्कार के लिए उसके इंसाफ के लिए हिंदुस्तान की जनता तभी आवाज उठाएगी उस लड़की की और उस प्रदेश की पॉलिटिक्स को देखकर? और अगर ममता जी को लेफ्ट विंग से इतनी ही परेशानी है तो वो इंडिया अलायंस छोड़ दें। लेकिन प्रश्न उठता है कि मिचिल विरोध प्रदर्शन किसके खिलाफ किया? प्रदेश की होम मिनिस्टर ममता जी हैं। हेल्थ का चार्ज किसके पास है? मुख्यमंत्री कौन है? तो किसके खिलाफ वो प्रदर्शन कर रही थी? अपने खिलाफ। जनता की आंखों में धूल झोंकना बंद करें। जनता जो जवाब मांग रही है उन जवाबों को दें।
देखिए, ये बहुत शर्मनाक विषय है। आज केंद्रीय मंत्री जी को इस तरह से अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है, वो भी किस लिए कि आज हमारे जो बहन को धर्षण करके मार दिया गया उनके लिए प्रतिवाद कर रहे हैं। लेकिन आज मुख्यमंत्री जो द्विचारिता कर रहे हैं और जो नाटक कर रही है, जो मुख्यमंत्री ये केस को दबाने का कोशिश किए, आज वही नाटक करके जब रास्ते में पदयात्रा कर रहे तब उनको कोई रुकावट नहीं, कुछ नहीं। तो ये पूरा जैसे जो डबल स्टैंडर्डनेस और जो हिपोक्रेसी चल रहे उनके पीछे कोई नहीं है, सिर्फ पुलिस और प्रशासन है। उसी को इस्तेमाल करके
Mamta ji, shame on you. What is happening in Bengal under a woman chief minister? There is a barbaric rape. Doctors were attacked yesterday by the goons there, and you are doing protest? Does it behove you? Very regrettable that this kind of a barbaric rape is not striking the conscience of woman chief minister Mamta ji, who is also a big leader in her own right. Not fair. I would urge that the administration of Bengal should be allowed to cooperate to CBI in a proper manner.